Unlock the mysteries of the spiritual realm with our course, Belief in Angels and Divine Books. This captivating course invites you to discover the fascinating world of Islamic theology, where you will explore the profound teachings about angels and sacred scriptures. In this course, you'll learn about the existence, creation, and duties of angels, gaining a deeper understanding of their integral roles in the universe. You'll also explore the history and significance of divine books, including the Quran, Torah, and Bible, while examining the logical reasoning behind belief in these divine revelations. By enrolling in this course, you'll enhance your critical thinking skills, and develop a stronger personal connection to your faith. Whether you're a devout follower seeking deeper knowledge, or simply curious about Islamic theology, this course offers valuable insights that will enrich your spiritual journey and academic pursuits. Don't miss the opportunity to expand your horizons, and deepen your understanding of these fundamental aspects of Islamic belief.